Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video I'm going to show you yet another PDF editing tool that is really powerful and of course can be easily used in Windows 11. In this video we're going to talk about PDF Agile. We're going to have links down below in the description where you can download the software for free, and also in the description below you will find a redeem code that you can use for a limited amount of time, and that will be special for the subscribers of this channel. And with that redeem code you will be able to also have access to the premium version of PDF Agile. If not, you can download the free version to see what's up with the software. Of course, in this video, I'm going to show you a brief review on what you can do with this software, what tools and features it has, and so on. So let's begin with this video. So this is how the software looks. It has a very intuitive interface, and of course, also the installation process is simple. Next, finish, as with 99% of the software that I show you on this channel. As I said at the beginning, PDF Agile is a very powerful tool that will allow you to edit, convert, create, read, comment, annotate PDF files, will allow you to add password protection, redact, permanently delete sensitive information, and also apply electronic signatures. Besides that, you have a lot of other tools that you can use to compress, merge, split, extract text from images, crop, rearrange pages, and so on. We're going to talk briefly in this video about the most important features and what you can do with PDF Agile. First of all, in the software, we're going to load up a PDF document, and of course, I'm going to click on Open File and import my PDF document. As you can see, it will be opened up in a new tab, very intuitive. And of course, in here in the center, we have our PDF document. Up here in the Start tab, we have some of the most important functions that we can use in the software. So for example, we have Print, we have Edit, and if we click on Edit, we will be redirected to the Edit tab, where we can simply add text, insert images, erase, signature, page number, page size, watermark, link, page edit, insert page, or also crop page. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to add text, click on it, and then we can click on a certain area from the PDF document and enter the wanted text. In my case, it will be text-based. If you select the text, of course, we have options for changing the font, the size, the paragraph properties, table properties, and so on. You can also apply a signature. So for example, I have created a signature here. I'm going to apply it, but you can also create a signature really easily by clicking on Add Signature. You can handwrite it, you can enter a text, or select it from an image. If you want to use the handwriting feature, you can simply just use the handwriting thing and insert your signature. It will be easily inserted and you have it here. Of course, you can also add the page number if you want. I'm going to click on Insert Page Number and I'm going to insert it in the top left. Make sure to also save the document when you're doing edits like this so that you won't lose any important work. Next up, you have the Insert function where you can insert an image, text, blank page, PDF file, page number, and you also have the Insert tab where you have the same options, but you can also insert certain shapes or of course insert links and signatures. We now have the conversion feature, which we can use to convert our PDF document to Word, Excel, PPT, or Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, and so on. We also have the PDF to image and also image to PDF function that we can use. And of course, if you want a more in-depth view, you can go into the Convert tab and you have here all the main conversions that you can do. And also you have Scan to Word, Merge PDF, Split PDF, and also Compress PDF. If you want to rotate the PDF document, you can click on the Rotate button, as easy as that, or use these arrows. Again, really simple. You can also do a screenshot if you want. Click on it and you can drag to select the area where you want your screenshot to be. You can save it as PDF, or you can click on Finish, copy to clipboard, and then you can open up any photo editing app, for example Paint, because it's default in Windows 11. Just paste it here and you have the screenshot. We can easily change the background with a few presets, for example night, simplicity, but I'm gonna leave it as default. And we also have a slides feature, basically a small presentation thing that is pretty similar to PowerPoint. Next up, we have OCR, or text recognition, which will basically extract text from a PDF document, which can be really useful. As you can see, we need to click on Start Identification, wait a few seconds or minutes depending on how large our PDF document is, and we will have the results here. As you can see, we have the results here, and we can select the path where we want to save the text document with the identification results. Click on Export and we can open the file, and we have all the texts that were extracted from the PDF document. Of course, we have the Merge PDF function. If we click on it, we just need to add PDF documents here, select the output path, and of course click on Merge Now. We can easily add a watermark. So for example, this one, click on Add Watermark, and we have it as easy as that. We also have the Compress PDF function, in which you only need to select the compression effect. You can leave it as standard compression, select the output path, and then click on Start Compression. We also have the classic Search and Replace function, where we can can search certain texts, and we can also use the replace function. So I'm going to replace tech with based, click on replace, and as you can see, as easy as that, we replaced it. In the read tab, you have certain read modes. You can use the slides, the full screen mode, and also in the comment tab, you can highlight and add notes or certain shapes to the PDF document. Lastly, we have the protect tab where we can apply our electronic signature, our watermark, or also we can encrypt with a password a PDF document. So for example, I'm going to place here 1, 2, 3. The PDF document will be automatically saved, and if I try to open it up again, you'll see that the document is encrypted. Let's enter the password 1, 2, 3, open, and it's really simple to encrypt a PDF document. Another function that could be really useful is the one that you see here in the notification. A watermark has been detected in your PDF document. Do you want to remove the watermark? You can also do that. Click on it and you will see that the watermark will be removed. And also you have the file option where you can simply save the PDF document, print it, or export it really fast if you want, and you can check for updates to see if PDF Agile has any other new versions. In my opinion, as I've said, PDF Agile is a very powerful tool that you can use, and of course you're going to have the link to download this app for free in the description below. And don't forget about the redeem code that will be available for a limited amount of time that will allow you to enable the premium version of PDF Agile. This was the video for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like down below and also subscribe to the Tech-Based channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from Tech-Based. Until next time, have a nice day.